Every listing agent knows that there is so much more than just inputting your listing. Realtracs has all the tools to make managing your listings a breeze. At the top of your Realtracs, you're going to see My Listings. Under My Listings, there's Listing Management. Listing Management is the home place for all of your listings where you will come to add, edit, and manage your listings. Once you have an executed listing agreement, you have 48 hours to input that listing into Realtracs. That listing can stay incomplete until your seller is ready to hit the market. That's right. To start the input process, click the Add button at the top right and choose your property class and your address. Should you have any questions during the input process, feel free to contact us for any and all of those questions. Or you can always head to our Help Center for a deep dive. You do have options for your listing's reach and visibility. To ensure your listing gets maximum visibility and reaches its largest audience, select Public Distribution in the Marketing section. If your seller wants more privacy for their listing, you can choose between Realtracs Exclusive and Company Exclusive. Realtracs Exclusive will limit your listing's exposure to just Realtracs subscribers. Company exclusive listings are just visible to agents within your company. If your seller decides that company exclusive is the best option for them, you will need to complete the exempt listing form and attach it to the media section of your listing. The exempt listing form can be found in Listing Forms under the My Listings tab. Once your listing is live, you have lots of tools available to easily manage your listing and keep track of its performance. For quick action items, use the 3 dots to the right of the listing. From here, you can change its status, make quick edits, and even add your open house times. Want to market your listing to social media? Use the blue megaphone to post your listing directly to your Facebook page. Simply connect your Facebook page and create your post. Do you ever wonder if anyone is even looking at your listing? Use our listing activity tool to keep track of your listing's performance and see where your listing views are coming from. We track your views from Realtracs, Realtor.com, and the Zillow Group. You can even share this tool with your clients so they can see where the views are coming from for their listing as well. For quick access to your listings activity, reference the Listing Views widget on your dashboard. The Listing Views widget is designed to easily keep you updated on your listings' online views and quickly market your listing. For a full overview of the listing input and management tools, take our listing exposure class.